Hi.
Hi.
I'm Officer Blevins with the UW-Whitewater Police Department. Do you mind if we come in and talk with you?
Yeah, about what? Can I
I'll explain what's in there just so we're not talking in the hallway.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
We're just going to turn on the light here. So we got a call from the RAs of an odor of marijuana coming from your room.
Mm-hmm.
Standing in here, I can smell it. It's pretty strong.
Okay.
So be honest, and we can work with you if you're honest with us.
I don't smoke. I don't.
Okay, you don't have anything in here?
I don't have anything in here.
Does your roommate?
Mm-mm. My roommate's not in here either.
Gotcha. Do you have your driver's license off you? Do you have your driver's license on you?
Yeah, I do.
Do either of you have any marijuana or anything on you?
No.
Nothing. It's pretty strong in here, so I'm asking. Thank you. What are you guys up to tonight?
Nothing. We're watching a movie.
Do you have your driver's license? You don't have one? Okay. Are you from Wisconsin? Awesome. There's nothing at all in here. Okay. Are you guys around anybody that smokes?
I was about to say, I do.
Okay.
I was around it. I wasn't.
Got you. Nothing on you at all?
No.
Sure. Do you mind if I just check your room and make sure that there is nothing in here so I can let the RAs know that there's
Yeah.
nothing here? Okay. Or is that fine with you?
I don't know what are you gonna check?
Just check your belongings, make sure that there's nothing in here. Just it clears you for the RAs. It's possible that it's on your clothes if you're around people that do smoke.
Yeah, I was about to say, it's probably.
It's pretty strong.
Yeah, I was about to say, it's probably on my coat or something.
Gotcha. Are you a student?
No.
No. Gotcha. Are you a student? No. So just for like a future reference, even like the odor of marijuana we can get a call for. And they'll show up and do all this. So which side is yours?
This side.
This side? Okay. All of this over here?
Yeah.
Okay. Gotcha. Any alcohol or anything like that? Anything that I might find?
Last name.
No.
Hayli.
I do.
Okay. I appreciate the honesty.
It is in there.
Okay. Gotcha.
It's just most of them are empty.
Sure.
It's just
Sure. Just gonna take it out of here.
Okay.
Not 21.
All right.
Okay.
Can you?
Again, I appreciate the honesty with that.
To my call as well as 613.
We can definitely work through that.
Excellent. Thank you.
What are these?
Those I got from my friend. I don't know what they are.
Okay.
I was just holding on.
So you don't know what those are?
I was not told.
You just have them in your room?
Gave them to you.
Friend from home.
Friend from home.
I know it's not. I'm not going to take someone from home that
For where was it?
It was in there.
So you're storing this stuff that you don't know what it is with all of your alcohol.
I just put it in there. I don't know.
Okay. I'm going to have you flip over here. Where are you from? Gotcha. So why would you have something of a friend's here? So I'm going to ask you again. I want you to be completely honest with me. Okay. So obviously, you see what I just found. So be completely honest. Because you haven't been honest with me so far. I asked for any alcohol, asked for any drugs. And you have not been honest with me so far. I could issue a ticket just that alone.
Yes.
So be honest with me. What else am I going to find?
That's it.
This is it? What do you use the fake ID for?
I use it to go to the bar.
Okay. So I'm going to ask you again. I want complete honesty. I do not believe this is your friend's.
They were my friends. They gave them to me.
Okay. They never told you what it was?
No, I think it's some type of mushroom. I don't know though.
Okay. And so what was the reasoning for giving it to you?
They gave it to me, and I said I would try them. I don't know. But
Okay. So you did know what it was?
They told me it was some kind of mushroom.
Okay.
I don't know.
How long have you had them for?
I've had them for months. I literally just brought them here because in case... I don't know.
Okay.
And
I appreciate the honesty. Please continue with that. Is this your stuff here as well?
no, that's just me.
Okay. Do you mind if I look through that bag?
Yeah, I
Okay. In the black box.
That's mine. You can
That's
go through
yours.
that. Yeah.
You can stay sitting.
You can go through that.
All right. So obviously you can't have this alcohol since you're underage. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna grab the alcohol and I'll walk with you to the bathroom. Okay.
Okay.
And we're gonna dump that out.
Yes.
Yep, all of them.
Okay. Let me just...
I'll have you take them back to your room and throw them in your garbage. Alright, so I'm gonna have you turn around, face away from me. You're under arrest for having those mushrooms that is psilocybin. That was too tight for you. Do you want your friends to stay in here, or do you want them to leave? Okay.
Can I put real shoes on?
Yeah.
Where am
go.
I going?
We're gonna go down to the police department. Figure out a couple more things. What shoes do you want?
Those brown ones are fine.
These ones here?
Yep.
Is it in the sear?
Got it.
Yep.
Alright, do you want a jacket or anything? Do you need your wallet, phone?
I have my phone.
You have your phone? You need a wallet, keys?
I have my UW. Can you have my phone?
Yep.
Sorry. So I have my UW and my hot card, yeah.
Yeah.
And then my license and my keys are in there. That's fine.
You're probably gonna want that.
My keys?
So you can get back in here.
They're probably gonna.
Are they behind the door?
Yeah, they're right behind the door on that. Look to the wall. On the.
Right in front of you. Up.
The cloud.
Oh, I got
By
you.
the calendar.
Got it.
Thank you.
Nothing else that you want? Okay. Alright. So this is pretty simple. So we're going to use this. You're pretty much going to put your hands up there, and we're going to follow along with the computer. Alright, so this will just be the top half of your hand. Kind of keep it between the box there. It'll be the same thing other side. A couple little more. Perfect. And then left thumb, just put your thumb right there. Perfect. And right thumb, same thing. And then for this, you're going to roll your thumb. So you're going to put it up there. It could be kind of goofy. Do you want to call anybody to get a ride, or are you just going to walk back to your dorm? Unfortunately, I can't. With the car that I have, I can't give a ride.
Yeah, that's fine. I can just walk.
Okay.
I'm
Gotcha.
moving with the car.
Luckily, it's not completely on the other side of campus.
Yeah.
Alright, so I got a couple citations here for you. So this first one is for the possession of that alcohol since you're under 21. As a court date of January 7th at 1 a.m., it's a non-mandatory court appearance as long as you take care of it before that date. There's instructions at the bottom how to do that.
Okay.
It is $263.50. Any questions with this one?
Where's the date that it's due by or whatever?
The court date up here in the corner.
Court
And
date,
that will,
that's when it's due?
yep, and the court, if you wanted to go to that court date, would be at the Jefferson County Courthouse. It's up in Jefferson. And all three of these will have the same court dates.
Okay.
Keep it simple. So same court date, non-mandatory court appearance, January 7th at 11 a.m. That one is $389.50. This is for the possession of marijuana. Same thing, instructions down here how to handle that. Any questions with this one? This one is for the fake ID card violations. This one's the most expensive at $5.15.50. Same court date, instructions at the bottom how to handle that. Any questions with this one? And then this is just a court brochure. It explains the court date a little bit further if you have any further questions. It might be on here. Otherwise, reach out to our court officer. This is our police department phone number, or you can send them an email. You can set up a meeting with them before that court date if you have any questions or want to go over things as well. Any questions about that? Okay. So here's this. I'll give you a business card in case you have any other questions. You can reach out to me or the court officers about that. And so for the mushrooms, obviously you can't have that. That is a criminal charge. It is a misdemeanor. So you'll hear more about that in the coming days. I'll be referring charges for that. So it'll likely be the Jefferson County Sheriff's Office that'll reach out to you about that. And they'll give you like court date info and that stuff. So any questions at all?
Just with the mushrooms, what can happen? Like, there's going to be a fine or?
So it's a misdemeanor criminal charge. Like those are just tickets.
Yeah.
So those are pretty similar to like a speeding ticket.
Yeah, exactly. But what could happen?
So you could get a fine.
Okay.
Knowing Jefferson County, they're not going to do like jail time. Very rarely do they do that.
Thank
Yep.
you.
I can't guarantee that because
Yeah,
it's completely up to them and what they do with that. I believe the statute says like a fine up to $1,000 or like a year in jail. Doesn't mean that's what's going to happen. They're willing to work with you. So they'll figure all that out for you and what has to happen there. Now, say you are found guilty of even just that ticket for the THC, anything else further than that is a felony. So if you're found guilty for the THC or the psilocybin, which is the mushrooms, anything else, say you get caught with weed again, it's no longer a ticket, it's a felony charge. So keep that in mind, be careful about that, be mindful, especially in the dorms. Any odor, like, they will call us.
Yeah.
I don't know what housing will do on their side of things. This is just what I'm doing on my side. They're probably going to follow up with you in the next couple of days. I know the semester's almost over. But they'll probably reach out to you and talk with you about everything that happened.
And then again, for the mushrooms, is that a court date I have to attend?
It will be a court date that you have to attend. I don't know when it will be. I'm going to send up charges for that, and they'll get all the paperwork, and they'll sort it all out, reach out to you. If you have any questions in the meantime, again, you have my business card. You can reach out to our court officers. You can also call the Jefferson County Courthouse. All their information is on that as well. Any questions at all? Awesome. So here is your ID, your phone, and your keys. Should be all I need from you. Like I said, any questions, don't hesitate to ask.
Okay.
So, just walk you out to this door here again. Need any directions or anything like that? Awesome. You have a good night.